you are asked to look for happiness based on their anticipation of the future. I'll be more happier. I was happier when I was in college days. So if somebody asks you, what makes you happy? What do you say? What is your answer to this question, that what makes you happy? Yes. I tell you, most of the people answer this, based on their experiences. Yes, or based on their anticipation of the future. Yes. So when you say based on their experiences, you're saying that, in the past, I went out with my friends and we had a great time, So my happiness is being with my friends, right? It means last time when, you met your friend, you had a great time, and you think again you'll do the same thing, you'll be really happy. A lot of people say, oh, I want to be like kids. Kids are really happy because they miss their childhood, right? So they think maybe if I go back, I'll be more happier. I was happier when I was in college days. Yeah, people look back at their life and they say, oh, I was happy when I was there. And today, when you ask them what makes you happy, they will say, oh, that will make me happy again. Something from the past. So based on your past experiences, they say, this will make me happy. Now, the past is something, when we experience that, the time was different, our situation was different, our overall feelings were different. If my present definition of happiness is based on the past, then I would like to introduce you to hedonic adaptation. Yes, that's a concept in positive psychology which says that if we continue to do the same thing again and again, and every time the happiness or the pleasure that we get from that keep on reducing. Imagine having your first ice cream. How much you loved it. You're having it for the first time and you just have your first bite, you just love it. Yes. But now you think that you will have the same ice cream again and you will get the same level of happiness. You try that ice cream. Now this ice cream is not as good as it was last time, right? Yeah, maybe it was little better, maybe you didn't get this flavor this time, or maybe the taste is different, whatever, right? So if I have it for the second time, I'm having it with an expectation. And when I am having it with my expectation, if my current experience matches with my past experience or is better than the past experience, I feel happier. But that is not the case all the time. Every time I do the same thing again and again, my happiness keeps on going down. So I cannot rely on my past for happiness, right? Now, if I look in the future, if I look at the future, that once I get this, I'll be happier. A lot of people, they thought, once I get married to this person, my life will be all sorted. And then what happens? They get married to that person. What happens then? Yeah. And they're regretting that why I got married to this person. And they want to go back and rewrite their past. Yeah. Some people think that, oh, once I get this job, my life will be great. What happens? They get that job. Yeah. And now they want to run away from that job. Yes. So we feel that we know what will make us happy. So here Daniel Gilbert says, we are not good at making predictions about our happiness because we don't know what will make us happy in the future. Right? So many a times, if you look back at your life, there are many things that you wanted to happen in your life and they happened exactly the way you wanted them, but you're still not happy with that, right? So we don't know whether, what made me happy in the past will make me happy in the present, or what I think will make me happy in the future actually makes me happy when I reach there. So past and the future, and then the third dimension that you're left with is the present moment. So if past and future are not the reliable place to look for your happiness, what are you left with? What are you left with? You're left with only this present moment. And this present moment. Now, where are you right now? You are here in this present moment. Yes, you are in this present moment, and here is what you need to look for happiness. But why is that when we are always in the present moment, we still can't find that happiness? There is a secret. And a lot of people have never reveal that secret to you. Today I'm going to reveal that. Right? Are you ready? Are you ready for this new secret? Yes, that I'm going to reveal now. Are you ready for that? The secret is that the present moment is always filled with the past or with the future. Yes, because you're sitting here in this moment, but you're worrying about the future, or you're regretting about the past. Oh, I wish I had done that thing differently, or wish make this thing happen. All those things, your mind is always in the future or in the past. When you're sleeping in the night, you're worrying about getting up in the morning, and when it's time to get up in the morning, you're worrying about sleeping more. You want to sleep more, right? Your mind always either in the past or in the future. Yeah. If I ask you a question, if I ask you that, are you a historian or an astrologer? What would you say? A lot of people say, oh no, I'm not. I'm neither of them, right? But if I tell you, you are both. Yes, you are both, because either you are in the past or you are in the future. So either you are a historian or an astrologer. So this is your today's activity, to find out that are you a historian or an astrologer. Keep a tap on all the things that you're doing in the day, yeah, being aware of your thoughts, and just keep noting it down. Where are you spending most of your time? Are you spending it in the past or are you spending it in the future? Right?